Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Thompson, and today I want to show you how you can make at least 5,000 naira daily. Okay. Now, this is a project I actually joined about 15 days ago, but the project itself has been running for over a year. But I just joined about 15 days ago, and I'll be showing you how I earn nothing less than 5,000 naira daily. Now, do the multiplication yourself. If you earn 5,000 naira daily for 30 days, that is about 150K. And that's a whole lot of money in Nigeria today. Okay. So you think about it. I'm going to show you the step by step what you need to do, and just sit back and take profit every day. Okay. Now, if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, I want you to stick with me on this video. Okay. As I take you on the journey to financial freedom. Okay. And also, I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular project right below this video. Okay. So do yourself good by checking out the link, clicking the link, and getting to the system after you must have watched the video. Now, I want you to pay a rapt attention to this particular video, because if you miss out on getting the real tips, then you're going to miss out on making this money. Okay. So stick with me on this video. Let's get to my system. Let me show you. All right.
Okay, guys. Like I rightly said from the intro of the video, in this particular video, I'll be showing you how you can make at least 5,000 naira daily. Okay. Now, basically, what is this business all about? It's all about you mining cryptocurrency. Okay. Now, in this video, I will show you how you can actually mine BNB. Okay, to make profits every single day. Okay. Now, this is the website that you'll be mining this cryptocurrency for you to make that 5,000 naira daily. Before we go forward, I would like to show you presently, if you look here, you can see this is what I have presently in this particular website. Okay, I have about 0.50325 BNB here, which is what's over. Let's get to check the value. Okay, let's get to check the value of what I actually have here presently. Let's get to check the value. Let's go to coin market cap, and we're going to check the value of this present BNB that I have there. Okay, now this website has been running for quite a while now. Okay, like you can rightly say, I have about $120. Okay, about $120. That's the worth of the BNB that I have presently here now. Okay, so the full details of how the website actually works is this. All you just need to do is for you to get miners that will actually help you to mine cryptocurrency. In this particular case, I'm talking about BNB in particular. Okay, so what they actually do is this: since you cannot afford to get a rig of your own, you just get miners on this website that actually helps you to mine BNB on a daily basis, and you take 3% of your total investment. Okay, let me quickly show you something. If you go to this website, monarch.app, you will discover that this particular website I'm telling you about has been running for over a year, which is about let's see here, it's about 400, and it's been running for about 472 days. You get now, it's been running for over 472 days. And if you come over here and you check, you can see, look at it, your BNB miners, you can see it's been running for over 472 days, and it actually pays 3% daily. Okay, you can see it pays 3% daily. So you can imagine you putting in let's assume you put in just $100. Okay, or let's assume $300. If you put in like $300, because the issue is this, I must tell you, I make those videos about how you can make money watching YouTube videos, how you can make money watching listening to music, and all those kind of make money online method cannot really make you good amounts of money. You can only make peanuts from all those particular kind of method of making money online. But if you really want to make money online, then you should look at this kind of projects where you actually use money to get more money. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to get miners. So I'm going to take you through the process of hiring miners that are going to mine the cryptocurrency for you. Okay, now if you look at my screen here, you see this particular place where my mouse is. It says hire miners. Okay, so you can decide, okay, I want to hire miners with $200, $100, even $10, $15, as the case may be. But you should remember, Now, the more miners you hire, the more money you actually make, okay? Now, from the intro of the video, I told you I'm going to show you exactly how you can make at least 5,000 Naira a day. Now, you look at it, 3%, okay? Let's even go to, I'm going to try and bring out my calculator. Then we'll just get to do the calculation. Let me get my calculator. So the logic is this: the more money you put into this, okay, the more money you make. Because the truth of the matter is this, like I rightly showed you here, the website has been running for over a year, okay? Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just airing my own opinion here, okay? But I've been in this particular project for over 15 days, and I'm going to show you later on in this video my MetaMask wallet. Then I'm going to show you the withdrawals I've made so far from this particular website, okay? So just stick with me to the end of this video so you get to see every activities that I've actually carried out on this particular website, okay? So let's get to my calculator. Let's assume you put in $300, okay? Let's assume you put in $300 and you are taking 3% of $300 per day, okay? Then now we're going to come and say 0. Let's say, okay, this is the $300 here. Then we're going to say times 0.03. Now you can imagine the result we are actually getting here, okay? Let's go back and do the $300 again. $300, okay, times 0.03. That is $9, okay? Now, you're going to be getting $9 every day. Let's assume you put in $300. You'll be getting $9 every day. You remember presently in Nigeria, okay? In Nigeria where we are here now, the price of one USDT is 615 presently now. So let's do the math here. 615 times 9. How much is that? That is over 5,000 Naira that I actually told you about, okay? Now, you might decide to like put something less. And let's assume you don't even have enough money and you want to put like $100, okay? So let's say this is divided by 3 now, which is $100. You can be 1,845 Naira every day. That is almost 2,000 Naira, okay? Assuming you put in $100, okay? Now, like I rightly told you, you just need to know exactly how much you want to invest, you want to use to hire miners on this particular website. Then you come down here, okay? You come down here, you put in the amount of money you want to use to hire the miners. Let's assume you are putting 0.41. Let's get the value of 0.41 here. Okay, let's get the value for $100. Let's assume you just want to start with $100. Let's assume you want to start with $100. Now that is 0.418, okay? Then you come in here and you put in 0.418. So you'll be hiring 1.4.127 million miners, okay? You can see it over here. This $100 is going to get you 145.127 million miners, okay? Now you'll be getting 3%, like I rightly told you earlier. You'll be getting 3% of this total sum, this $100 on a daily basis, okay? You can see this is it and it's been paid. Like I promised you earlier, I'm going to go to my MetaMask and I'm going to show you something, okay? Also, this particular miners is verified on Binance Smart Chain, okay, on BSC. So let's go to BSC and I'm going to show you the contract address of this particular miner on BSC, on Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to show you the transaction that's actually going on every second, virtually every second, okay? Now, we are on Binance Smart Chain here, right? So as you can rightly see, this is 12 seconds ago. You can see here 12 seconds, 15 seconds, 18 seconds, 24 seconds, 27 seconds. You can see when you see sell, it means that somebody just sold off either part or the whole of their mining power. Okay. When you see hatch egg, it means that the person just compounded. You can see here, they have something here, compound. Like if you don't want to take out your interest, you can decide to be compounding it. Okay. Then your interest keeps growing for you. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you over here. They have where you can see compound here. Okay, you can see compound. When you click on this compound, it means that this is your total money here that you yielded. You decided to compound it, reinvest it into the business. Okay, Let's go back to the BSC scan. So you can see all the transaction going on here, and that goes to show you that the company is actually paying and you can also deposit. Okay, let me also show you something quickly. When you go to analytics on BSC, on Binance Smart Chain here, when you go to BSC, you're going to see the transaction, okay, and the volume of people that are actually coming into the business, and how fast the business is actually growing. I'm very sorry, my internet is a bit slow here, but I would have loved to show you all that. You can still hold on while that actually loads. Then also, I'm going to go to my MetaMask, okay. I'm going to click on my MetaMask. Then my MetaMask is going to load. I will show you the transaction I've carried out on this particular platform, the money I've deposited, and some of the withdrawals I've actually made from this particular website. Okay, I'm going to show you all that. Okay, so sorry, the internet is a bit slow here. Okay, so what we do is this. After you must have connected your MetaMask to your desktop. If you don't know how to connect your MetaMask to your desktop, I'm going to leave a link to a video up here. Okay, I'm going to leave a link to a video up here that is going to show you how you can connect your MetaMask to your desktop. Okay, then all you just need to do after you put in here, then you click on this particular higher miners here. When you click on this higher miners here, it's going to take you to your MetaMask. Okay. Then when it takes you to your MetaMask, all you need to do on your MetaMask is to click on confirm. Then automatically the $100 will be deducted from your MetaMask and your account on BNB miners will be credited. Okay. Then automatically you begin to earn that 3% on a daily basis. Okay, like you can rightly see in my account here that I showed you, I have about $120 here. I actually started this account with about $50 and I've made like series of withdrawal, and still I still have about $120 in here. Okay, now if you look at this BNB in barrel, this is the profits that you can take out, but this particular one that you use to hire miners, you cannot take it out because it is locked in there. That is what they use to keep mining the BNB for you. So you see TVL. The TVL actually means total value locked. That is what they keep using to mine the BNB for you. And each time you want to take profits, you see this particular place up here where you see BNB in barrel. That is a profit you can always take. Like this particular one, if I want to take this profit, all I need to do is to click on this pocket your BNB. When I click on this pocket your BNB, automatically this my profit goes into my MetaMask and I can decide to withdraw it and change it to Naira. Okay, so that is exactly how it works. It's just as simple as that. Okay, so far this is the best website for you if you want to keep making at least that 5,000 Naira or 1,800 Naira, as the case may be, depending on your powers, as in your financial power that you're going to use to hire miners to keep mining this BNB for you. Personally, I've been doing it, and I would have loved to show you a whole lot, but it seems like the network is a bit slow here. Okay, but I'd have loved to show you a whole lot. My MetaMask also is not coming up. I'd have loved to show you my MetaMask, the withdrawals I've made, and all the transactions I've carried out on this particular website. But the network seems to be a bit slow today. Okay, so this is it. There are a whole lot of guys that are actually doing this, and they're actually taking profit every day. And the beauty of it is that it's a decentralized finance. Decentralized finance in the sense that there's no third party that you have to like click on withdrawal and it has to wait for like 2 or 3 days before you take your profit out. No, it's an instant withdrawal. As soon as you click on this, pocket your BNB, the money, your interest here goes directly into your MetaMask and you can decide to do whatever you want to do with your money. Okay, so that is just the easiest way for you to make 5,000 Naira in Nigeria daily. But that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just airing and showing you what I do to actually make some income for myself. Okay, and the beauty of it is that on this particular project, okay, they have over $2 million worth of BNB. You can see it here, over $2 million worth of BNB. Over $2 million worth of BNB. That is what they have here. Okay, so there are a whole lot of guys that are into this project, and the earlier you take advantage of the project, the better it will be for you. Now, I'm going to drop a link to this particular mining site just right below this video. Okay, so you go down there and click on the link and it will take you directly to this particular website and you go ahead and start trading with them if you feel it's good for you. Okay. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. I just decided to share this little tip with you. I'll see you in my other video. Remember to like the video, please, and also give it a thumbs up. And remember, always click that notification button so that when next I post another valuable video, you get to be the first to see it. Okay. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video once again. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.